All right, so here we are. What we're doing right now is I'm gonna analyze this trade which I took this morning on GBPUSD, and I'm gonna explain why shouldn't I have taken this one, because of course this was a losing trade. So anyway, here were my confirmations for the day. Actually, my overall bias was bullish. I'm not gonna zoom out to 4 hour right now because I'm in replay mode. Anyway, the weekly price open and last week's high is still above. We have actually let's do that. Who cares? Let's do that. So as you can see, we have quite some liquidity above these tops. So what I think overall is that price should visit this area. The 115 is a very important level. So I think we're gonna go there. Anyway, let's go back to 5 minute. What I was hoping for is that we're gonna go down and grab some, actually it's not a good word, grabbing. We're gonna tap into this liquidity here. There's an imbalance here in price on the 4 hour. You can still see it on the 2 hour. There's a fair value gap here. And also, there's nothing on the 1 hour. So I was thinking like, we have a good chance to like, just, go down, grab some liquidity and then spike up. Didn't happen. Anyway, I thought it's gonna be an intraday thing. So let's just use a Fibonacci tool. Here is, this one made a daily high right there. And this one's daily low. I'm just trying to, I know I'm not perfect. I'm learning this stuff. All right. So, maybe I'm wrong, but we are in the premium array right now, and of course we're aiming for discount, which is down here. So what I thought, okay, let's search for some structure break. Because what happened here is that we already, grabbed some liquidity right there from the day open, and also from right there. So we smashed into some liquidity there. Of course, there was no fair value gap, nothing major happening. I just thought that, new high for the day, why not? 3 minute chart, nothing fancy. We can see a little bit of fair value gap down there. But then let's go with the 1 minute and what I thought was going to actually happen. Anyway, what I was looking for is some kind of a structure break, right? So it's the daily high right here, right there, daily low right there. So, I was looking for some kind of a break, which, well, I thought that it's gonna happen, and this was my mistake, right? Oh, sorry. This was my mistake right here. Now I thought, and I was anticipating that this one right here, see, this one right here could be a valid structure break. That's what I thought. But it's actually not. I mean, maybe it could have been, this candle actually closed like one. I mean, the close is, let's see, close is 112.96, and the low of this candle is 112.95.9. So actually, yeah, it didn't even close below. So yeah, not so clear. So this happened, and then I thought, okay, why not? You know, we have fair value gap here. And, you know, we had a little bit of a fair value gap right here. Sorry. So I thought that at this point, price really tapped into it. So I took a short position. I think I actually took 2 positions. I was scaling in. And I think I entered somewhere here. The stop loss above here. Looking to go down here. And the rest is history, of course. I mean, it was looking good for a brief moment, but then it turned against me. As you can see, right? So what was the mistake? I mean, even if this didn't really broke this structure here, then maybe this one still we had a fair value gap. I think this candle right here wasn't really that clean in terms of structure break. I mean, if we go out to the 5-minute chart, let me delete this. If we go down to the 5-minute, then you can see that there's really not much happening right here. I mean, all that happened is actually we have formed this candle right here with a long wick, which is not really, I mean, and this second candle, when it broke lower on the 5-minute, it's not really a structure break on the 5-minute, but not even on the 3-minute chart. You see? Now, if this came down here with the displacement, this level, I would call that a structure break, but maybe I was too early. Maybe I was too early. Also, I think overall, because we are still very bullish, liquidity, lots of liquidity is up there, so I'm certain it's gonna go up. Anyway, I messed it up, and that's it. No other way around it. Maybe so. My biggest question is, was this a structure break right here on the 1-minute? Because I think it was, but maybe the trend wasn't so strong to, you know, at least just make a 1-to-1, so I can put it to break even. Anyway, it is what it is. I guess in cases like this, when we're not sure, we just have to take trades like this with a much smaller position size, right? Anyway, thanks for watching, and let's keep it going.